This is the Tannewitz bandsaw. It's 41.5 by 21 inch. It's our stock number 30403. Now it does not have a blade on it right now, so we're gonna turn it on and show you that it does work. But I'm gonna shoot it from here so you can see that flywheel. So again here, without a blade on it, there's really not much to these saws, but the flywheel is going. It does work. Right now we do know that the brake would need adjustment on this, but to do that you'll have to take the flywheel off. So, other than that, good to go.